In Verilog, enhanced signed arithmetic was introduced in the 2001 version. A significant addition is the new keyword signed, which allows you to explicitly declare literals, functions, nets, and registers as signed. By default, all vectors are unsigned unless specified otherwise. This is important for how arithmetic operations are performed on these data types. When performing arithmetic operations, the right shift operator, 3 greater than sign, in Verilog maintains the sign of the value, unlike the logical shift operator, 2 greater than sign, which does not. This feature is crucial when dealing with signed numbers because it ensures that the sign bit remains consistent, preventing unintended changes in the sign of a number. Verilog 2001 also introduced system functions, $signed and $unsigned. These functions allow you to cast values explicitly to signed or unsigned, which is useful when working with mixed data types in arithmetic expressions. For example, in Verilog, if you write int a equals -4 tick sd12 divided by 3, Verilog interprets the value 12 as a signed 4-bit number using 2's complement representation, which is then divided by 3, producing a result of 1. This shows how signed values are correctly handled to maintain their intended negative or positive state. Furthermore, when you declare a vector as signed, Verilog treats it as a signed number, which makes arithmetic operations more straightforward and intuitive. This approach also simplifies the handling of function returns that involve signed arithmetic. However, if no signed keyword is used, the vectors are unsigned by default, and accessing them through signed ports treats them as signed, ensuring flexibility in handling different data types.